Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, I'm going to show you an easy, perfect, quick dessert for guests or just to fulfill a sweet tooth in a pinch. This recipe is so easy to make. We're gonna start by making vanilla dessert shells. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First things first, in a medium bowl, beat together egg yolks, sugar, and vanilla extract. Beat on low speed till moistened. Then increase the speed to medium-high speed and beat for 5 minutes or until the mixture has doubled in volume. Stop the mixer, add in lemon flavored sparkling water and oil. Then mix well until well combined. Next, add the self-raising flour and gently combine with a whisk. Do not overmix. Mix just until everything is combined. Now use a rubber spatula to fold the batter from the bottom, just like so guys. Next, lightly grease a 6 mini Mary Ann pan with a baking naan spray. Then fill each well 2/3 full. Once filled, we're gonna bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes or until lightly browned. Now let's move on to work on the strawberry compote. Here in my pan, I have strawberries already washed, dried, and cut into quarters. We're gonna add sugar, lemon zest, and lemon juice. Then bring to a simmer and cook for 5 to 8 minutes. As soon as the sauce begins to thicken, remove from heat and allow the sauce to cool. The cakes are out of the oven. They baked for 20 minutes. Allow them to cool in a pan for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, while they are still warm, use a knife to loosen the edges. Then cool cakes completely on a wire rack. Now it's time to assemble our dessert. Here I have the strawberry compote, mint, and peaches. Start by placing the strawberry compote in the bottom of the shells. Just like so guys. Next, we're gonna fill the shells with homemade custard. Guys, if you want to know how to make this custard, I'll leave the link for the video somewhere up here. Just go check it out. Dust with powdered sugar. Now we're gonna top with peach slices. Guys, you can use fresh peaches, but I love using the store-bought peaches because I need the syrup, which you can also make with simple syrup. Next, garnish with mint leaves. Next, drizzle about 1 tablespoon of peach syrup on each cake. Make sure you reserve peach syrup when you drain the peaches because you're gonna need it here to moisten the cake. There you have it, guys. Vanilla custard, strawberry and peach cups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my